Good morning. This is Gomati. Last class we studied about an assignment problem. What is assignment problem and what are the methods in assignment problem? Procedure for the assignment problem. Today we'll solve the assignment problem with the example. Solve the assignment problem. Last class we discussed the type of assignment problem is minimization, maximization, unrestricted. First, you have to find out this is a minimization assignment problem or maximization assignment problem or restricted assignment problem. Minimization assignment problem, it's a normal problem always. Minimization assignment problem, normal minimize cost, so always minimization assignment problem. Solved assignment problem means it's a normal assignment problem. Maximization is find the maximum profit, maximum cost, find the maximum assigned. It's a maximization assignment problem. Restrict the assignment from some of the you have given some restriction in the matrix box. This is a restrict the assignment problem. Now we see the problem. Solved assignment problem. This is a normal assignment problem because we did not mention it maximization where there is no restrictions, so it's a normal assignment problem. Next, check out. Assignment problem is a matrix, that means a square matrix. First you have to check out it's a balance or unbalanced. Balance means know that number of rows equal to number of columns. First you have to find rows 1 2 3 4 5 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 columns. So number of rows equal to number of columns. So this is balance assignment problem. Step 1. First check out is balance or unbalanced. Balance means there is no problem. It is unbalanced. We convert into balance one. Row less than row, you have to introduce a new row. Less than column, you have to introduce a new column with a zero cost matrix. Step one. This is a formal step. Choose the least element in each row and subtract it all the elements of that row. This is a step one process. This is a problem. So for right hand side is a problem. Question. So easy way to understand this, I write this problem. Step one. Just form the blank column, 5 rows, 5 column. First one by one. First row. Choose the least element each row. First row least element you have to find out. First row least element is 9. They subtract all the elements from 9. So 17 minus 9, sorry, 26 minus 9, 17, 14 minus 9, 5, 10 minus 9, 1, 12 minus 9, 3, 9 minus 9, 0. And next one, second row. Second row least element is 14. Subtract all the elements from 14. So 31 minus 14, 17, 27 minus 14, 13, 30 minus 14, 16, 14 minus 14, 0, 16 minus 14, 2. And third row least element is 15. Subtract all elements from 15. So 18 minus 15 minus 15, 0, 18 minus 15, 13, 16 minus 15, 1, 25 minus 10, 10, um, 30 minus 15, 15. And fourth row, your small element is 12. Subtract from the one. 17 minus 12, 21 minus 12, 30 minus 12, 18, 20, 35 minus 12, 13. And last row, the least element 10. Subtract all the from that one. 20 minus 10, 10, 19 minus 10, 9, 50, 25 minus 10, 15, 16 minus 10, 6, 10 minus 10, 0. Step 1 is a row reduction method. Choose the least element in each row. So ஒவ்வொரு ரோலையும் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சு அந்த ரோ ஃபுல்லத்தையும் அந்த எலிமெண்டால சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். This is the step 1. Step 2 is a column reduction method. Choose the least element in each column and subtract it all the elements of that column. That's step 1. Step 2 is the follow-up of step 1. கொஸ்டினுக்கு போகக்கூடாது, ரொம்ப important. Step 2 is follow up of step 1. For easy reference, I write the step 1 is we do. Just again make a blank box, 5 rows and 5 columns. We have to fill out. First step the row wise. Second step is column wise. So first column, which one is the least number? 0. Subtract from 0, same number. 0 subtract பண்ண அதே number தான் திரும்பி வரும். So 17 minus 0, 17, 17 minus 0, 0. So same one, no person. So find the second row. Second column, you have to choose the least element. Second column, the least element is 0. Subtract all from 0, same number. 0 subtract பண்ண same number that திரும்பி வரும். And third column, choose the least number. So least number தான் choose பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு next number, don't want the next number. Least number is 1. So ஒன்னால இந்த column full நீ subtract பண்ண. 1 minus 1 is 0, 16 minus 1 is 15, 1 minus 1 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 15 minus 1 is 14. And fourth column, the least element 0. So there's no problem. Same. 0 is the least element. There's no changes. 3, 0, 10. And fifth column, the least element 0. So step 2 is follow up of step 1. Most important. Step 1, column direction, row detection. And step 2, column detection. Then move on to step 3. Step 3 is select a row as a single zero. First, you have to check which row as a single zero. We need only a single zero. First priority goes to row wise. Second priority goes to column wise. So first, which row as a single zero? Mark that first we have to check which row are a single zero. First priority goes to row wise only. Don't go column wise. So first go to row wise. First row wise means first row, enter row, single zero, you have to note that. First row, we have two zeros. Second row, we have only single zero. Third row, we have two zeros. Fourth row, single zero. Fifth row, single zero. First row. So first single zero is second row. So you mark that zero in your square brackets. Then cancelling the corresponding column. So in the zero mark பண்ணி that corresponding column full thing cancel பண்ணு. There is no problem. Zero இருந்தாலும் இல்லையா. So cancel the corresponding column அந்த zero low wise single zero mark பண்ணி அந்த zero இருக்க corresponding column full cancel பண்ணுற step 3 first one. Again check out which row have a single zero. So second, third is double zero. So this one is single zero. So same process. Mark that zero and cancel the corresponding column. Again, you have to check out which row have a single zero. Fifth row have a single zero. Mark that zero and cancel the corresponding column, full column. Strike out the full column. Again, you have to. So we have to correspond in this column cancel, this zero cancelled. So that's why you have only got a single zero because this zero cancelled on the zero. So upon in the single zero only we have got. So we have to mark the single zero and corresponding cancel the corresponding column. Again, we check out means we have balance only one zero. So we marked it, the cancel the corresponding column. Then you have to check what each row have a single marked zero means we get the optimum solution. First row have a marked zero, second row have a marked zero, third row have a marked zero, fourth row have a marked zero, fifth row. So we get the optimum solution. Any row is left out from the corresponding marked zero, we just move on to step 4. Now itself without no problem because every row have a single marked zero we got. So next step we get the optimum solution. So first write down S1 marked zeros are 1, S1 T3, S2 T4, S3 T1, S4 T2, S5 T. So we get the optimum solution because each row have a single marked zero. First row marked zero, so it's a original problem. Then we get the solution. So first S1 T3, S2 T4, S3 T1, S4 T2, S5 T5. So this is the original question. Then we got the original value need. S1 T3 original values 10. S3 T4 original values 14. S3 T5 original values T1 original values 15. X4 T2 original values 12. S5 T5 the original values 10. So this is total. We add this, we get the total assignment problem. This 61. Thank you. Next class, we discuss another problem. We get a mini